Here's how Wolfgang Puck achieved overnight success, and the ingredients to do so might shock you. If you know anything about fine cuisine, you probably recognize the name Wolfgang Puck. But did you know how his name became synonymous with Michelin-star restaurant quality? Every year, Hollywood A-listers look forward to the Oscars Governor's Ball, a dinner leading up to the Oscar Awards. In 1982, at Spago in Beverly Hills, Joan Collins, arguably the most famous actress of that time, ordered a smoked salmon with brioche. One problem: the kitchen was out of bread. Thinking quickly, young Wolfgang replaced the bread with a freshly baked pizza crust, elevating the version of the classic bagel and cream cheese. Holding his breath, Puck delivered the entree to Collins, explaining that he took the liberty of taking the order up to the next level. Since she was of Hollywood fame, he wouldn't allow her to have anything less than the best. Wolfgang was later quoted saying, "I knew I was going to have to make it a little different. The most important part was following my intuition." Collins loved it. And from that moment forward, Wolfgang Puck became synonymous with the best cuisine in Hollywood and eventually worldwide. Why? Because he told Collins that she would have to order something else on the menu because they were out of bread? Nope. He trusted his intuition and he life improved. It's why it's called thinking on your feet. You aren't faced with these difficult decisions when you're sitting down in your favorite pondering chair. You are faced with these decisions in real time, on your feet. So the confidence boost today comes from improving when you don't feel like you know what you're doing instead of conceding. So today, when you feel like you don't know what's going on, you don't know what to do, and you don't feel confident, just life improv. Actually, just act like you've been there before. Act like you have done it before. Act like even if you're given a order, you're going to make it even better and make the next smoked salmon pizza. What is this saying? When life gives you lemons, make lemonade? No. When life gives you lemons, make orange juice and make people wonder how the heck you did it. Life improv. That's the confidence boost for today.
Now, you know I'm really into optimization and how to stay the healthiest, the mind, the sharpest, longevity, everything. I'm a nut for that. And I haven't found anything, literally anything, that has more positive benefits and improvement effects on the mind and the body than the hyperbaric chamber. Elevate Health. Hyperbaric chambers. Well, what it does, it can speed up your recovery from an injury. There are so many documented cases with athletes and they're injured and it heals the tissue dramatically faster. Also for concussions and brain damage, it's the number one thing that I have heard and I have seen heal concussions, improves blood flow, reduces inflammation. That's just in the hyperbaric chambers, but Elevate Health is doing something different. They are the top recovery modality company. They have cryotherapy, they have saunas, light therapy, vibroacoustics, PEMF, compression therapy, polar recovery, and so much more. It is worth checking them out. Trust me. Elevate Health, ELEVE health.com. Let them know David Nurse sent you. They'll hook you up or contact me and let me know what you're interested in, and I can direct you in the right way there. ElevateHealth.com. Do not wait. This is proactive and not reactive. Get after it.